about that too.
You know what? If there's dirty fuel clogging it up,
Keep it get stuck in the check valve itself. So I pulled that on the check possibility. The check valve is kind of where the line this truck's at. I think it's that. That's why I suggest draining 5 gallons out of each tank, draining till you get clear fuel. That may be a whole lot of it right there.
the high pressure fuel pump, we didn't touch that.
We took it off and put it back on.
Yeah. Why don't we take a look at this thing? It's here. Why don't we do all that stuff? Check out everything, drain all of the stuff out, you know, even replace the fuel, you know, fuel pump or whatever it is.
We have to go to a 2-filter system because this isn't
That's
available
obsolete
anymore. It's obsolete.
Can we keep the truck for a couple of weeks? Okay, I'd like to do that. I'd like to have us take a look at this thing.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Pleasure, guys. Appreciate it. Nice to meet you. Pleasure to meet you.
PAI Industries has been manufacturing and distributing heavy-duty diesel engine parts right here in the USA since 1973. And now, we are putting our parts to the test. Million-mile truck overhaul.
So again, we replaced the steering box. We did a complete end frame. This is the new 3 to 2 filter conversion. So now we have 2 filters versus 3. All new lines to it, new pump. Truck's been completely overhauled. I'm gonna check oil, coolant level looks good. I'll do a pre-trip, check all my lights, and we'll go for a drive. So I'm just making sure my logs are up to date. Done my pre-trip. Feels fine. Of course, I'm bobtailing. I don't have a loaded trailer. That's really the best way to tell, but I don't see any issues with it right now. Yeah, like I said, I think everything's fine right now. I don't see any issues with the vehicle as far as any oil leaks, fuel leaks. It runs fine, starts fine.
This is Steve actually calling me, one of the mechanics that worked on it. Let me take that. Hey Steve, hey, can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I can. Couldn't smell any exhaust fumes or anything like that. It sat all weekend. David went out there and fired up like 1.5 seconds. It fired up.
Awesome.
Fires right up.
Awesome. They're going to be excited to hear this, man. Thank you so much. I'm pulling into the office now, and thank you for all your help on this. I appreciate you.
Not a problem.
All right, take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
There you go. A lot of work done. A complete fuel system overhaul, updating their system, their filters, their fuel pump, their lines, and basically they are good to go. I am super excited about today. We're gonna go to their yard. They have 40-50 trucks there and trailers, and we're going to check out their fleet, check out their operation, meet the owners again, tell them this great news about their vehicle that is now in tip-top shape, ready to go, and hopefully get them to do a load for us. Maybe move this bad boy from Georgia to Texas with some of our PAI products. We have 2 facilities out west, one in California, one in Texas, and maybe we'll step it into drive a full truckload, 24 pallets or so. We'll see what we can line up, some engine kits for them, get some weight on the trailer, send that to Texas next week, and then maybe do a run to California. But super excited about this whole project, how it's coming along. They're going to be tickled to death to find out this truck has a new fuel system. We are going to go in the office, get the rest of the team, and make the trip over to BMX. This is going to be exciting stuff.
Our mechanic Steve, he took it for a test drive several times, brought it over, let it idle, also 15 minutes idle, no fumes, no nothing coming into the cab. Looked around, no issues, no leaking, nothing. It has good power. So I think we're good to go. So now that it's fucking good, that's up to you guys. Okay. We need this thing to start running. So our request is that we got to get this thing going back and forth, long distance, coming back and forth, so we can put some miles on it and really get some data off of the truck. First day to utilize our DD15 engine on the truck. That's going to take a full load to capacity to our branch in Texas, in Dallas, Texas. So this is the first of many loads that will go back to back, Texas, back to Suwanee, Georgia, Dallas, back to Suwanee, Georgia, and then eventually going all the way to California branch as well too. But he's backing up here, and we're gonna load this guy up and send him on his way and see how it does.